Hey, Kenny here. Wanted to talk really briefly about connection. And what we're thinking is using the most functional grip. It's one that I advocate for my students, and we're going to show you a couple things we practice. So in Lindy Hop, you'll typically see two grips, either this one or this one. This one, typically, I like to use this, and sometimes Charleston skip ups, and sometimes like circles closed position. So what we're looking at is, I'm thinking about holding an egg right there. So it's like kind of a nice little hollow. Both hands, and then one's creating a ledge, one's going on top. I'm thinking about a first cut knuckle connection right there. Either hand doesn't really matter. And then what I'm trying to do is engaging the lats so I can practice spreading them, and then relaxing so you can kind of see my elbows drop right there. All right. Same thing here. Also making sure that the thumb is not going on top of the knuckle, it's going below, and then ring in the middle is going underneath those knuckles, because I don't want to be the person that squeezes my partner's hand to death as a leader or follower. And then again, spreading the lats, you can kind of see that connection, and then that immediately release right there. We believe that that's very functional, so sometimes if we have bars or other props, we'll have our students practice holding them. And that is like, you'll notice that again, I'm looking for that line, that overhang with those first knuckles. Thumb comes around, yeah. Same thing here, even smaller ones. And if you practice different grips, like trying to hold it with like your second knuckle or trying it at first, you'll notice like the strain that goes through. You can sometimes notice that even if you try like a pistol grip. So we believe four-finger connection, well, I believe that is the best. The other thing I want to mention is like we're trying to avoid using the thumbs right there. I've even experienced followers trying to push my finger out with the thumb. So again, remove the thumbs, nice deep four-finger grip, first knuckles, and the hand underneath the index finger can float depending on like the size of your fingers. But again, looking for that nice, awesome functional grip.